To practice Chakrasana, lie down on your back. Place your hands near your head. Slowly start to come up and get the crown of your head to touch the mat. Start to rise up and feel the stretch. As you practice with time, try and get your head more out. As you practice more, you can come up from your feet to your toes. You can even take one of your legs up and practice some of the variations to get better results. However, just the basic pose itself can give all the benefits.
And from Sarvangasana moving on to Halasana, you need a lot of core strength here. So just take your time, keep yourself comfortable, and without bending your legs here, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, just push your hips down and bring your legs all the way up above your head. So take your time, do not rush into the posture, keep exhaling. Use your core, engage your core muscles, and bring your leg all the way over your head. And now your hands can get interlocked here and bring it all the way down, strengthening your shoulders here and stretching your legs all the way back. You can feel my neck muscles and my shoulder muscles getting strong here. So keep your breath really normal. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And to release the posture, just slowly bring your arms back, slowly bringing your legs back to Viparita Karni, taking your legs one by one. And to release, gently bend your knees and bring yourself down. Take it really slow and nice. And relax your legs in Shavasana.
Ustrasana, camel pose. Start with placing the hand on the hip and gently arch back. Stabilize your shoulder blades and slowly with control release your palms of your hip and try to reach for your heels. Use your back muscles to hold the posture, keeping your butt muscles tight. Take slow 5 deep breaths in this position. Now inhale, slowly place your hand on the hip, use your abdominal muscles and come back to the starting position. Rest on your heels, bring your forehead down and relax in child's pose.
From here, you need to bend your right knee and take the other knee, just like in Gomukhasana, you would stack both your knees over and over. But in this posture, you are going to take the upper leg all the way up. So just pressing the inner thigh towards your abdomen. So which is going to basically massage your abdomen. And again, it is a seated twist. So you need to take your opposite arm. So which is my left knee is up in the air. And from here, I'm taking my opposite arm. So which is like inhale, bringing my right arm all the way up and keep pushing it towards my chest and holding it with my elbow here. And again, my right arm is to the side of the butt and left arm goes all the way back, creating this twist. And again, it opens up your heart. The nice twist in the back and hold the posture for 3, 2, 1, and again to release. Inhale, arms up, exhale and release. So make sure you practice this posture again by switching up your legs. Enjoy the benefits of the posture.